How cool would it be if you could have your own digital marketing coach? Someone who could provide you with valuable feedback and give you specific ways to improve your digital presence.
I'm Emily, this is Darlene, and we're going to introduce you to GoDaddy Insight in Digital Marketing Suite.
GoDaddy Insight is your virtual digital marketing coach, available 24/7, 365, right inside your digital marketing suite dashboard.
Insight is a smart text system designed to help you optimize your digital marketing efforts by evaluating your current digital presence and then offering data-driven recommendations based on your business, industry, and goals.
Let's take a look at Insight inside your digital marketing suite.
Your Insight score in Digital Marketing Suite evaluates your venture's overall social presence and customer engagement relative to businesses like yours. It's a great way to see how you stack up against the competition. On the right side, you can view some of the stats used to inform your venture's score. To view the data for any of the platforms you've connected in Digital Marketing Suite, just select it from the drop-down menu. You can also filter your stats view by the last 30 days or the last week.
There's more to your Insight score than just stats from social platforms or business listings. So let's break it down.
The Insight algorithm evaluates several factors to come up with not only your score, but all the things you can do to improve it in your action plan.
First, we look at the big picture for your digital marketing efforts. Are you on all the social media platforms and business listings that your competitors are? Do you show up where your target market spends their time online?
Then we check out your customer engagement. How often are your social media pages viewed, and how active or engaged are your customers on your connected social media accounts? Are they liking, commenting, and sharing your links?
And then there's outreach. Are you regularly posting on your connected social media accounts and responding to reviews? How often are you sending email marketing campaigns?
Not only is the algorithm looking at your digital marketing presence, it's comparing yours to others like it across the country and in your industry, as well as considering how long you've had a digital presence.
Once the algorithm has looked at all these details, it gives your venture an Insight score. And it might be low to start, but remember, you've got a plan.
Check your plan regularly and complete the suggested next steps. Make social posts, send email campaigns, respond to customer reviews. It's these actions that will drive traffic to your social pages and convert visitors into customers. And regardless of where you are in your journey, we'll keep providing personalized recommendations along the way.
The more tasks you complete in your action plan, the more your Insight score will increase. And we know when your Insight score grows, so does your venture.
No, it's not a real-life digital marketing coach, but we think with its data-driven evaluation and recommendations, we've come pretty close. And hey, no appointment necessary.
Yeah, just remember to pat yourself on the back when you pump up that score. I'm Darlene, this is Emily. Thanks for watching.